Hello, my name is Andres Valencia. I am a student from the Department of Computer Science of the College of Charleston. I want to thank Dr. Plemons from the Citadel for transferring his knowledge and experience in the area of project management. Today, we are going to see the final presentation of TPIL project, Technology Project Integrator Lab. The processes we'll see were based on the PMBOK Guide 6th edition. So let's get started. The processes we'll see are develop project charter, plan resource management, identify stakeholders, collect requirements, and create work breakdown structure. Let's start with the develop project charter process. TPI will be an educational physical environment for the implementation of project-based learning. This project will allow students and professors from different programs interact to develop real projects in which their technologies converge. In this way, TPI will help students to create a broader vision of their fields. Over 10% of last semester students will have an active participation in the development of technology projects using TPIL during the first year of working. The participation of students is expected to increase at least 2% every semester. At least one project will be on development status every semester from the first semester of execution of TPIL. The number of projects in development status will increase 100% every academic year during the first 4 years. Although there are some threats to the project, I would like to highlight the opportunities which are positive risks: integration with other training centers to develop multi-center projects, commercialization of projects developed in TPIL, and the participation in national and international seminars to show the project developed in TPIL are three of the main opportunities this project has. Now let's see the planned resource management process. Resources will be categorized into lab and area resources. The former has to do with general resources and the latter refers to technology resources required by each area that will be part of TPIL. These resources are machinery, tools, components, and materials. As part of the team charter, we have defined the conflict resolution process. The black arrow represents the path that a conflict must follow to be resolved. The vertical lines denote the levels of the problems and the roles involved into each level. As a rule of thumb, every conflict must be tried first into its level before being scaled to the next. Identifying stakeholders is our next process. 21 stakeholders were identified in the project. For each of them, the name, position, contact, role, assessment, and classification were defined. This list of stakeholders was essential for the collecting requirements of the project. And this is precisely our next process: collect requirements. Stakeholder requirements, functional requirements, business requirements, project requirements, and quality requirements were elicited from several sources of information. Then the requirements traceability matrix was developed to keep the consistency in our project and ensure that what is going to be done adds the business value required by the organization. And finally, we have the create work breakdown structure process. The work breakdown structure of TPIL shows a work decomposition divided into 5 main areas: project management, which is a transversal area, the design that covers the structural and architectural design, the construction phase, which involves the activities for the construction of the physical structure, the equipment, which includes the acquisition, transportation, and accommodation of elements, and the last phase, which is the startup, that covers installation, configuration, testing, and acceptance of the equipment. And finally, we obtain the work packages, with the description, assumptions, constraints, milestones, and due dates associated, as well as the list of activities with resources and costs. These work packages become the base for planning, executing, and controlling the TPIL project.